Okay guys, today's video, like I said earlier in class today, is going to be about longitude and latitude lines. Now longitude and latitude lines, what they do is that they give us coordinates for a place on the map. And in class we'll use these coordinates on a map to know exactly how to use them and why to use them. But this video is all about what they are and kind of showing you where they begin. So to begin at longitude, longitude are all the lines that run up and down, run from north to south. The way you can remember longitude lines is just the way you say it. When you say longitude, your mouth opens up tall, just like a line. So longitude lines run from north to south, making them tall lines. And latitude lines, you can also remember that by, again, the way you say it, latitude lines. Your mouth flattens, just like all the lines in latitude. Latitude lines run right to left, or left to right, right to left. And longitude lines run up and down to up. Our two main longitude and latitude lines are the prime meridian and the equator. The prime meridian is the starting point for longitude lines. It is at 0 degrees. The same thing with the equator. The equator is the 0 for latitude lines. And the prime meridian splits up the world in half. On the left side of the prime meridian, or the west side, we get west. Same thing on the right, except we get east. Equator does that also for north and south. The equator, north of it, you get your north, and south, of course, you get the south. So this brings it up to 4 coordinates: your northwest, your northeast, your southeast, and your southwest. And in class we'll use this to understand exactly where our coordinates are on the world. It's like it already wants to change. Okay, so let's start with longitude. Again, longitude lines are the lines that go up and down. Just fix that. Longitude lines are going up and down, just like this. The world, of course, is a circle, or not a circle, a sphere, and it goes all the way around, making it 360 degrees. So each side of the longitude goes 180 in each direction. The 0 point, again, is the prime meridian. So we go 180 degrees to the west and 180 degrees to the east. Longitude lines measure how far we are from the prime meridian, and they run from north to south and south to north, depending on who you talk to. Okay. Latitude lines are exactly the same, except that they run side to side. And for latitude lines, they only go 90 degrees up and 90 degrees down. So at the North Pole is 90 degrees north, and the South Pole is 90 degrees south. And again, we start at 0 being the equator. So each line is 10 degrees. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And all those are north. And we have, again, the same thing at the south. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And we'll use these in class to know exactly where we are on the coordinate plane. So we'll practice the skills using the longitude and latitude lines. Okay, so for class, what I want you guys to do is to answer these 3 questions. The first question is, what 2 lines are at 0? So what is it called for the latitude line that's at 0? And what is it called for the longitude line that's at 0? And also, which way does latitude run? And which way does longitude run? And we'll turn these in right as class ends, or begins. So write these down. If you need to watch the video a couple more times, do that. These videos are there for your help. So watch them as many times as you want. And again, this paper is not working. The questions are, what two lines are at 0 degrees? Which way does latitude run? And which way does longitude run? And we will turn these in at the beginning of the class. See you tomorrow.